In this video, I will show you how to add student to Google Sheets when they enroll in Zenler course automatically. So as you all know, Zenler is an amazing course selling platform, and I want that whenever any new student enroll into any specific course, the details of that student should be collected into the Google Sheets automatically. So if you also want to sync your student details with the Google Sheets, come with me and I will show you how you can set this automation for yourself. Now, in order to automate this process, I'll have to build an integration in Zenler and Google Sheets, and I am going to connect these two with the Pabbly Connect. Well, it is an integration and automation software, and I am an existing user, so here you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now, once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as when student enroll in Zenler, add it to sheet. Okay, now simply click on create, and then you will find 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action. So here trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. So here you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, whenever any new student is enrolled into the Zenler application, then automatically add those student details in Google Sheets application. Alright, so this is how, that is why I have selected this Google Sheets and Zenler in this trigger and action window. Now I am going to connect these two applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly you will have to select the trigger event. Now it is completely up to you whether you want to collect the details of new users who are actually signing up into your platform, or whether you would like to collect the details of the students who are actually getting enrolled. Okay, new enrollment to a course. Okay, this will trigger when a new student enrolls in a course. Okay, so currently I would like to go with this particular thing. Basically I want that whenever any new student enroll into my Zenler course, this automation should trigger. So that is why I have selected the same. Now here you can see, once I have selected, it has provided me a webhook URL and few set of instructions. Okay, so you will have to read these instructions carefully. Okay, so firstly copy this webhook URL as per the instructions, go back to your Zenler account, and here I am going to open that specific course whose students data I would like to collect into the Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the course. Okay, these are the course basically. And how about I open this core PHP programming, this specific course. Okay, so whatever the course details, basically the student details you would like to collect, firstly you'll have to open that course, then you'll have to select this automation section, and then you'll have to click on this edit automation rule, and from here exactly you can add a new rule. Okay, so I want that whenever any student enroll. Okay, so that is why I have selected on enroll, and here you will find that new action. Okay, so click on that add action button, and then you will find an option of send a webhook. Okay, so here you can provide the name to your action. Okay, so I will provide the name as student action. Okay, you can provide any random name, and here exactly in this hook URL we are going to paste this webhook URL. Okay, so how about I click on the save changes button, this action is required. Okay, apply to existing youth students. All right, yes, and here you can see the action is updated successfully. Now I will go back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can see it has given me the response. Okay, because I have selected that should it apply for the existing users. Okay, so I want that whenever now onwards a new student is enrolled, the details should be collected. So that is why I have selected on that recapture webhook response button, and then you can read the instructions that it is waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so it is saying that log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means new enrollment to a specific course. So I will again go back to my Zenler course. Alright, so these are the several courses. Okay, so firstly I am am going to preview this course, that is core PHP programming, which I have connected with the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Okay, and then I am going to open this particular page in completely a new tab. Okay, so this is the tab. And here firstly I am going to sign up as a new user, and then I am going to enroll as a student in that core PHP programming course. Alright, so firstly I will provide some dummy details. Alright, so I have provided the name as dummy student. Okay, provided the email address as dummy@pabblytutor.com, and here I have provided the password as well. Now I have clicked on this sign up, and here you can see the sign up is successful. Now I am going to enroll in this core PHP programming. Okay, and as soon as I am going to enroll into this specific course, you will see my details will be collected via Pabbly Connect. Okay, enroll for free. Yes, I would like to enroll in this course for free. Okay. Alright, it is saying that thank you, congratulations, and thank you for enrolling in this course. Now I will go back to my Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Alright, and then you will notice that a response is received, and if I will show you the details here, it is the same details. Okay, the plan name is core PHP programming, and here we have the same first name and same last name, that is dummy student. Here we also have the enrollment date, the email address of the person, the created date, the course name, the course ID. All right. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Zenler and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, and now I am going to send this course enrollment, or you can say the student data, into the Google Sheets. Okay, so Google Sheets is already selected. I just need to connect it with the Pabbly Connect, just like we have built the connection in Zenler and Pabbly Connect. Before that, I have selected this add a new row action event. Okay, and now I'll have to provide the access of my Google Sheets account. Okay, but I am not going with the new connections because earlier I have already provided this connection, so I will go with the existing connection. But if you are building this connection for the first time, make sure you always go with the new connection in the first time, then you can also go with the existing connections, just like me. And here you can see, since we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets I have created inside my account have started visible here. Okay, in this case I will select this student data enroll into course, this specific sheet that is visible at the top only, and in select sheet 1 you will notice that I have a single sheet only. Alright, which has got selected automatically again, and now it is asking for the name, email, course name, course ID, enrollment date, and course price. Okay, so these are the same column names which I have created inside my spreadsheet, and the same columns are visible inside my Pabbly Connect's dashboard. So as soon as I am going to provide the data and click on this button, you will notice that the details will be added here into the spreadsheet. But from where I am going to provide this detail, remember we have just captured the data, the student data, via Zenler account, and the interesting thing is that I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the details. Alright, so here we have the name, that is dummy. Okay, I will also provide the last name, so I will give a space first and let me search for the last name, which was student. Okay, so dummy student is the full name of that person, full name of that student. Asking for the email address, so let me search for the email address with the help of @ asking for the course name. Well, I remember the course name was actually core programming, core PHP programming. Okay, so again I have mapped this course name. Also asking for the course ID. Again let me search for this course ID. Alright, so here we have the course ID. Lastly, it is asking for the enrollment date and the price. Okay, so let me search for the date, and here we have the same date, and lastly the price, which was I guess 0. Okay. Alright, so I have mapped all the details. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I have mapped here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time, or you can say in next time. And just in case if I will provide any data manually, this detail will remain same, and whatever the details are mapped here, these details will be replaced automatically. Okay, so now how about I click on this button, save and send test request, and you will notice notice that a positive response is received. Okay, let me go back to my spreadsheet and check for the response, and here you can notice that the details have been captured automatically, have been added inside my spreadsheet. Okay, let me first correct the formatting so that you can see the data very clearly. Alright, so here we have the first name as dummy student, we have the email address as dummy@pablitudes.com, the course name is core PHP programming, we have the course ID, the enrollment date and the course price. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time someone is going to enroll into the Zenler course, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. And once the details are captured here, the same details will be sent to the Google Sheets in real time. Okay, and in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And if you want to access this workflow which I have created in front of you, I will also attach the link of this workflow into the description box. Okay, so you just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.